I'm the little Jeff Dummy computer guy, here to talk about computers. Are you disillusioned to Windows 11 right now? Did you have to buy a new computer? Well, the fact is that you could install Windows and Linux in the same computer, and there's software online to do it. You don't have to lose Windows 10. You can dual boot. That's what experts are doing. And there is a link on how to do it. It's from Hardware Details, and I will include the link in my description. Linux does not sell your information. You could be running 2 computer systems one at a time. Linux Mint is the recommended Linux. Linux has come of age and can be very similar to Windows in the way it looks, and it can run a lot of software. And if you need to run your software on your Windows computer, you could switch back to Windows. So follow the link in my description and how to do it. Well, Windows 11 will be tracking your every move. If you don't want every move tracked, then you will run Linux because it won't track you.